You're asked to find the percentage of men meeting the height requirement. What does the result suggest about the genders of the people who are employed as characters in the amusement park? This information is given for women. This information is given for men. In part A, we're trying to find the percentage of men meeting the height requirement. So the minimum is 56, the maximum is 63. These are real life numbers. Those are x's, and I need to convert those to z's. So the formula for z is x equals x minus the mean over sigma. So I took my x value of 56 and plugged it in my formula and found a z value of negative 4.03. And that's the minimum z value. And the maximum was 63. I repeated the process to find another z value, and I got a z of negative 1.77. And then once you've standardized your variable, that means you've got a z. We know that the mean is 0. Standard deviation is 1. I plotted my z of negative 4.03 right here, and my z of negative 1.77 here. And I found the probability in between those two red lines using technology or a table. You can use StatCrunch or a TI calculator or a table. And I found this probability to be 0.0383. 0.0383, but they wanted that as a percentage, so that's 3.83%. And that was the first answer. And then it says, let me ask you this, 3.83, is that a lot or not very much? It's not very much. We've only got 3.83 of the men that meet the requirement. So since, I can't remember what choices were, I guess the choices were men do not meet or they do meet. Since most men do not meet the requirement, most of the characters must be women. See, what that's saying is the men are too tall to be a character.